Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will see a dialogue between Orpita and a librarian. Orpita, good morning. Librarian, good morning. How can I help you? Orpita, I want to get a library card. Librarian, which class are you in? Orpita, I am in class 9. Librarian, have you got your identity card? Orpita, yes, here it is. Librarian, okay. Fill in the form, please. Orpita, I have filled in the form. Here it is, please. Librarian, thanks. Please take your card. Orpita, how many books can I borrow at a time? Librarian, you can borrow 3 books at a time. Orpita, how long can I keep a book with me? Librarian, 2 weeks. Urpita, thank you. Librarian, welcome. Okay, thanks.